In this video, you'll learn how to download and use the EA app. Just open your browser. Any works. I'm using Microsoft Bing and typed Download EA. You can see EA on the screen. I'll click the first option and the download site appears. Just click the black button. I'm choosing Windows, but it's also for Mac. Then I click here. Let's wait for the system to update. I click the Go button, it asks for permission. I say yes, then wait for download and installation. There it is, it's currently installing. Alright, the installation is complete. And now here, all you have to do is enter your email address and password. Ready? I put it in full screen, like this. I just clicked here. And so, here's EA's main page with all the top news. Specifically, there's Battlefield news, Apex news, and more games. For instance, here are Battlefield's deals. Actually, I think they're both completely free. It's quite interesting. We have it for free right there. That's quite curious. And well, let's scroll down. Here we have new video games. Here we have franchises. And remember, these are the prices of the video games. Some have certain offers, others, depending on the season, drop their prices throughout the year. And then, there's also a separate membership service that's called EA Play. With the EA Play membership, you simply pay a single monthly fee, and you're able to access or play every single video game that's included within that monthly subscription. For example, here we can try 10 hours of gameplay and more, but with the EA Play Pro option, we can technically play all the games as often as we like for a long time. Here, it's just for more than 10 hours, but with this, we literally get everything, including all the discounts and more, and the membership isn't that expensive. I would recommend it if you're looking to play video games, for example, those that are available on this platform. For instance, you have the Battlefield series, many Star Wars titles, and The Sims, and in this particular case, there are several Plants vs. Zombies video games. And well, remember, we're going to the home screen. Here you'll find all the latest new releases. And here, when we click on search, you'll primarily see all the video games. Here you'll find all of Epic's franchises, even some brand new IPs. For example, we have several racing games, like this one that just came out. Moving on, here are several video games. Crysis, Dead Space, and Grid, which are racing games. We also have Need for Speed. We have many video games there. We even have some slightly different ones, like Warhammer. We have this co-op game, and this other one is also co-op. So, we'll eventually need to move on. And remember, using the search bar here, you can find any game you like. For example, I'll just type the word 6 and a video game with that word should appear. In this case, it's Battlefield 6. And now, we'll go back to the search engine. Here are all the games, and when you want to buy more than one, just click the Add to Cart button. It gets added to the shopping cart, and for instance, we're going to add another item, we'll choose another one, like this one here. We'll add it to the cart, and then we click on where it says checkout. Let's just wait here for it to load. Alright, so I've got my PayPal account linked up right here, and I simply click on where it says Play Now. But you can also add other payment options, like Apple Pay, your credit card, or PayPal, just as I've already done. And if we click right here, we also have the option for a PaySafe card. So, select any of these, and you can now buy your video games. Now, once you've downloaded your video games, or rather, once you've bought them, we'll go here to the library, and we have several alternatives. For example, these are free video games, like Apex Legends, and the rest are games I've been buying over time. For example, I have these Battlefield titles. I have Dead Space 2. I have this one, Mass Effect. I have 2 Need for Speed games. I have this one. I have a Dragon Age, Inquisition, which is also free. I have a Battlefront. I have this one that's also free, and if you notice, we have the option to download them. You just need to click right here, and then we wait for it to finish loading, and then, well, the download page will appear, where the file is going to be downloaded. You can change it if you click here. You simply select the folder. Here's the language. We have these languages. And here, well, we have these options to create a shortcut on our desktop and for automatic updates. And here, we have the space it will take up on the disk. In this case, it's 9 gigabytes. It weighs absolutely nothing, and I click where it says Next. Here I click Download, and that's it. Now I just have to wait for the download to begin and finish completely. It's starting now, and we can see the download percentage right there. I clicked right here, and it's progressing now. And well, we're going to keep moving forward with the Friends section, which is this one right here. Here you'll find all the friends that you have, and there's your profile. You just click on it. Here you can set, for example, an invisible session, or you can choose to appear online. You can view your profile directly from this spot and then edit it if that is what you wish. And to add a friend, you simply click right here, and then you can search for any friend you like. For example, I'm going to type in the name Peter. There must be many people named Peter. And here, for example, we have these. There are several different users. For example, let's say this person is a friend. You simply click, and you've already sent them a friend request. They just have to accept it. Also, with this button, we can hide the Friends section, and we can also hide our friends. Also, remember this, if you click on the down arrow, we can go to the main settings and manage your account's specific settings. We have app settings, like language, enabling it when updates are released, starting with computer startup, notification settings, and more. It's quite simple. And remember, you click here and you can directly view your EA Play membership. Let's go back to the download section once again. Even with this button, you can actually limit the download speed. I also hadn't shown you this, but right here, you can add your favorite video games. For example, I'll click right here on the heart, and now I can see the video game. I click on it, and here it is. And if I click on the video game, I can go to its EA page. Here, you'll find several videos and also some photographs. We can see a bit about how the game is, its description, and all the languages it supports. Here we have more options. For example, the system requirements, which are at the bottom, how much RAM it needs, how much storage space it occupies, and other options. In fact, it has already finished downloading, and you just have to click on the play button where this play icon is, and practically everything is ready. And well, in this way, you've now learned how to use the EA App Store.